everybody, today's recipe is one bowl meal. I know you guys love one bowl meal. Spicy pork over rice. Jeyuk-deopbap. It's kind of a dish that you can order at a Korean restaurant. If you own a restaurant, add this to your menu. I guarantee your customers will love it. I already cleaned all these vegetables, just I'm going to cut first. Just a slice. 4-ounce cabbage. I'm going to cut all vegetables, small carrot, and slice this. Green onion, 6 green onions. Just cut it around 2 inch long. This green chili pepper is very long, hot green chili pepper and very delicious and crispy. In America, everywhere we can buy this one. I'm not sure other country, but I'm going to use only half, which means that regular green chili pepper, 1 green chili pepper. One medium-sized onion. I just washed all clean. Today I'm going to use 1 pound of pork, and I will use this 4 large garlic cloves and around a half teaspoon peeled ginger. So I'm going to mince all these guys. Okay, garlic and ginger minced. So my vegetable is cut done. I will bring my pork. This is 1 pound pork shoulder. With 1 pound, we just can feed 3 or 4 people. Not bad, isn't it? You can make it so cheaply and delicious. But there is a very important tip. I cut really thinly, just like a paper, so that when I cook this all together and with rice, easily mixing together, kind of really nicely, well incorporated together. So just thinly, let's slice thinly. I just kept this pork in the freezer for 2 hours so that I can cut very easily. Okay, this is only 1 pound, but after cutting, it looks really a lot, isn't it? I'm making rice right now, and let's cook. Turn on the heat, medium-high heat. I'm so happy because all my vegetables cut is done. First, I will just stir fry garlic and ginger. About 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and garlic and ginger. Just stir fry until a little bit crispy. Now this is a little light brown, crispy. Add my pork. My rice is boiling now. I just stir this and lower the heat. We didn't add any seasoning here, only garlic and ginger and oil. So this smells amazing. I love this smell. This reminds me of my Thailand travel long time ago. When I went backpack traveling in Thailand, around dinner time, everywhere, every corner, small restaurant, they cook. First sign is that this smell, garlic and ginger stir fried in oil. And then after that, they add their own stuff. So now my meat is all no longer pink. So nicely cooked. Let's add all vegetables and cover. Turn down the heat to medium. So I'm going to cook for 3 minutes. And then meanwhile, let's make a sauce. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. This is a jinganjang, dark soy sauce. This is a half cup water. 1 tablespoon hot pepper flakes. And this is gochujang, 1/4 cup. Potato starch. The reason I use potato starch is to make it a little bit sticky. So you need that. If you don't have a potato starch, use just the flour. 1 teaspoon. Ground black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon sugar. So all mixed together. There is no seasoning here. So now we all just use this seasoning. And turn up the heat, medium-high heat. And mix. Look at this. Okay, all done. I'm going to turn off and cover. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my rice and everything else. I'm going to add 1 egg. Egg is optional. If you don't like to add egg, it's okay, but it makes this dish look more pretty. I already posted this recipe. During the summertime, I always make this. I prefer this kimchi to real cabbage kimchi because it has brine. The brine is well fermented, amazing. It tastes like a pop soda. And I make the noodle soup, cold noodle soup with this. Sometimes just eat as a side dish. By the way, what is it? This is dongchimi. Dongchimi is radish water kimchi. So now, it smells really like a fermented smell. It's only this amount. Just any shape you like to cut, any shape. Green onion kimchi. Oh my God, so good. My mouth is watering. And this is tiny anchovies and nuts. It's kind of a snack. So now, this guy, let's turn it up. Lots of juice comes out. That's what I want. Last touch, sesame oil. Sesame oil, I added around 2 teaspoons. Okay, good. Turn off. Sesame seeds. Good time, good time. Let's eat. Eating time is best. Cooking time is fun, but eating time is best of best. You too? Dongchimi. Today, we made spicy pork and vegetables over rice, Jeyuk-deopbap in Korean. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.